Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how you can easily copy traders' trades directly from your phone using the Bybit platform. Launched in 2018, Bybit quickly became one of the leading crypto exchanges, consistently ranking in the top 5 by trading volume. It's chosen for its reliability, user-friendly mobile app, and a wide range of tools. Now to the exciting part, copy trading. This tool allows you to entrust your capital management to experienced traders by automatically replicating their trades. All you need to do is choose a trader and their trades will be executed on your account in real time. Bybit offers two types of copy trading. Spot, buying and selling real cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. This is a more stable option for those who prefer long-term investments. Futures, a riskier but potentially more profitable approach. You trade contracts, opening positions for price increases or decreases. Long, a bet on price growth. If you expect the asset to appreciate, you open a long position and profit from the increase. Short, a bet on price decline. If you believe the price will fall, you open a short position and profit from the decrease. In futures copy trading, you can use leverage, which can reach up to 100 on Bybit. But remember, the higher the leverage, the greater the risk of losing funds, although the potential profit is also higher. Each trader in the rankings has statistics, recent days profitability, number of followers, maximum drawdown, and trading style. This information helps you choose a trader that suits your strategy and risk level. Let's take a closer look at what leverage is. It's a financial tool that allows you to trade with amounts exceeding your actual account balance. For example, if you have $100 in your account and use 10x leverage, you can open a position worth $1,000. If the market moves in your favor, your profit increases tenfold. However, if the price moves against you, your losses also increase tenfold. It's important to remember, with high leverage, the risk of liquidation increases. This is when the exchange automatically closes your position to prevent losses exceeding your deposit. With a sharp move against your position, you could lose all $100, even due to small price fluctuations. Experts recommend beginners should use minimal leverage, 2x or 3x. Always set a stop loss. It's a protective mechanism that limits losses and closes the trade in advance. Don't invest all your capital in one trade. Instead, distribute funds across multiple positions. Leverage is a powerful tool that can accelerate your growth, but it needs to be used cautiously and wisely. Before moving on to setting up copy trading, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Have you already had experience with copy trading? What were your results? If you've watched this far, the topic is clearly relevant to you. Subscribe so you don't miss new strategy reviews. Briefly about the pros and cons of copy trading. Pros: passive income, time saving, and the opportunity to learn from experienced traders. Cons: no guaranteed profit. Even professionals make mistakes, and there's a commission for copying trades. Example: if a trader earned 20% in a month and you invested $500, you would gain $100 without opening trades yourself. However, if there are losses, they will also be proportional. To start, open the Bybit app on your phone and go to the trade section. Then tap on the three dots on the left and select copy trading. Here you'll find lists of traders sorted by categories. Elite traders with high ratings and a long trading history. ROI leaders, traders with the highest returns over the selected period. High PNL, overall profit indicator in dollars. To choose a trader that suits you, it's important to use filters. Analysis period, choose at least 90 days. This allows you to assess long-term effectiveness rather than short-term luck. Win rate, percentage of successful trades, set it to 30% and above. ROI over 90 days, preferably from 12% reflecting profitability. Maximum drawdown, no more than 25% to avoid significant losses during market downturns. Number of followers, an indirect indicator of trust in the trader. If available, choose tags like aggressive or conservative. It's better to disable the region filter to see all traders without restrictions. After making your selection, click Confirm to update the list. Now let's go over how to analyze a trader's profile. Profit chart. Look for smooth and steady growth. Sharp jumps might indicate random successes. Trade history. In the history section, you'll find all completed trades. In the open position section, you'll see current active trades. An experienced trader doesn't let losing positions hang. They close losses to avoid hiding them. Example: I found a trader with an ROI of 82% over 90 days, with 445 profitable trades against 188 losing ones, and they close losses. This is a sign of discipline and honesty. A little attention. We have a Telegram channel with an AI agent for market monitoring. Important news, fresh analytics, and trade ideas are published there. There is also a chat with traders, and soon participants will be able to use a personal AI assistant. Follow the links in the description and become our partner. Now that a trader is chosen, it's time to set up copying. In their profile, click Copy. Agree to the terms and select trading pairs. To reduce risks, keep only BTC USDT and ETH USDT. If you fully trust the trader, you can include all pairs. Choose the copying mode, fixed amount, for example $50 per trade. This is optimal for beginners since you always know the maximum risk per position. Multiplier. Trades are scaled based on the trader's volumes. This mode can yield more profit, but risks are higher, especially with large orders. Set up risk management. Stop loss, for example, 10%. So the trade automatically closes if the loss reaches half of the invested amount. Take profit. You can set it at 50% if you want to lock in profits without constant monitoring. Limit the maximum amount per trader, for example, $500, to avoid investing your entire deposit in one trader. Enable auto-unsubscribe if the trader is inactive for more than 21 days. If you're dealing with futures copy trading, set your own leverage, for example, 5x. This is safer. Even if the trader uses 20x, your trades will open with your leverage. After After all the settings, click Confirm to start copying. In the My Traders section, you can track results, change parameters, or unsubscribe from a trader if their strategy stops working. One of the key advantages of Bybit is the ability to copy multiple traders at once and distribute your deposit among them. This helps reduce risks and test different trading styles, from aggressive to conservative. For beginners, the demo mode is especially useful. It allows you to try all the settings and strategies without investment. It's a great way to understand the platform's mechanics and see how different traders operate. If you have questions, check out the copy trading section on Bybit. There, you'll find educational videos on how to choose a trader, set parameters, and manage risks wisely. And remember, copy trading is not a guarantee of profit, but a tool. Its effectiveness depends on the market and chosen strategy. If you found this material useful, please support it with a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. It helps develop the channel and share even more valuable content. Wishing everyone confident trades and fat profits.